Dave's sauce look like as well. Dave's sauce, y'all. So it's supposed to be a spicy chicken sandwich. And look how big that chicken strip is, though. My God. Look how big one chicken strip is, y'all. Oh, my God. Let's see how this tastes. Okay, we're going to taste this. All right. It's got some... This is the Dave sauce. And this is extra Dave sauce. Because I heard that it's supposed to be so good. And their pickles are supposed to be really good. So let's just try this now. We're going to dip the fries in the Dave sauce. Okay. It's a chicken sandwich. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm. Hmm. Okay. Mm. Hmm. I'm say it's a 10. Very good. A lot of food for the money. Very good. Spicy, and you can get it at different levels of spiciness. Dave's hot chicken. I say it's a 10. It's pretty good. I'd eat it again, for sure.